There are three main ways to connect your Sceptre monitor to your HP laptop. Let's explore each connection method to find the best option for your setup. HDMI is the most common and straightforward connection method. USB-C is available on newer HP laptops from 2023 onwards. VGA is found on older models but supports lower resolutions. Let's start with HDMI, the most reliable connection method. Most HP laptops and all Sceptre monitors have HDMI ports. Here you can see the side of an HP laptop showing the HDMI port alongside other connection options like VGA. Use a standard HDMI cable like this one. The connector has a distinctive shape that only fits one way. Your Sceptre monitor has multiple HDMI ports. The diagram shows HDMI 2.0 supports up to 144 Hz refresh rate, while HDMI 1.4 supports up to 120 Hz. Newer HP laptops feature USB-C ports with DisplayPort Alt mode. This advanced connection carries video, data, and power through a single cable. This diagram shows how USB-C with DisplayPort Alt mode works. It combines USB 3.1 data, power delivery, and DisplayPort audio-video signals in one connection. If your monitor doesn't have USB-C input, you can use a USB-C hub that converts to HDMI while providing additional ports for peripherals. VGA connections are found on older laptops. While functional, VGA is limited to 1080p resolution and requires a separate audio cable since it only carries video signals. Here are essential setup tips. Always power on both devices after connecting the cable. If your monitor isn't detected, update your graphics drivers and verify cable connections. Try different ports if your devices have multiple options. After connecting your Sceptre monitor, the next step is configuring your display settings. Start by pressing Windows+P to access the projection options. Windows will display 4 projection options. Duplicate mirrors your laptop screen on the monitor, showing the same content on both displays. Extend mode expands your desktop across both screens, giving you more workspace. This is the most popular choice for productivity. Second screen only disables your laptop display and uses only the Sceptre monitor, which can help save battery life. To adjust resolution and other display settings, right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. Here you can configure each monitor individually. Choose the optimal resolution for your Sceptre monitor. Most modern monitors support Full HD at 1920 by 1080, while higher-end models may support QHD or 4K resolutions. Don't forget to adjust scaling settings to ensure text and icons are appropriately sized. Larger monitors may benefit from higher scaling percentages for better readability. For optimal performance, use certified HDMI 2.0 or higher cables or USB-C cables with DisplayPort support. Quality cables ensure stable connections and support for higher resolutions and refresh rates. With these settings configured, your Sceptre monitor should now be working optimally with your HP laptop, providing you with the best possible display experience.